going to change the centre brake light on a Toyota Yaris. Start by pulling back this cover. Then that piece comes off. Next, get a 10mm socket and just loosen this bolt. Take that out. And then here there's a little clip, just push it up and then pull out. And then just pull this out, the bolt's out, so it should come out. It can be a little bit stuck sometimes. There we go. Then twist this anti-clockwise. And the unit comes out, then pull the bulb out. Get the new bulb and just push it in. And now put that back in, put it back in and twist it clockwise. That's it. Make sure the wire tucks back in, push that back in. Make sure that's pushed in as well. Then start to put the screw back in. Doesn't need to be tight, it's just going into plastic. And then put the cover in. There's two clips just here. That's it, and now you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.